Hello everyone, welcome to Shilpi AI podcast. Today, we are diving into a topic. How is consideration defined for the supply of goods or services in GST? The term consideration for the supply of goods or services in GST is defined in Section 231 of the GST Act. According to this definition, consideration includes any payment made or to be made, whether in money or otherwise, in respect of, in response to, or for the inducement of, the supply of goods or services. It also includes the monetary value of any act of forbearance in respect of, in response to, or for the inducement of, the supply of goods or services. However, it does not include any subsidy given by the central government or a state government. It is important to note that a deposit given in respect of the supply of goods or services shall not be considered as payment made for such supply unless the supplier applies such deposit as consideration for the said supply. In addition, the definition of consideration excludes grants but does not exclude subsidies. Donations, in general, do not qualify as consideration for a supply and are not liable to GST. However, if the objective of giving the donation is to receive any commercial gain, such as advertisement, promotion, or publicity, it would be considered a supply of service for a consideration, and GST would be leviable on such consideration. Overall, consideration in the context of GST refers to any payment or act in exchange for the supply of goods or services, excluding subsidies but including grants and donations with commercial objectives. Thank you for tuning with Shilpi AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay informed.